Are you looking for the best Belkin 10K power banks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best power banks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Belkin BoostCharge Pro 10K Power Bank. The Belkin BoostCharge Pro is a powerful wireless power bank designed for on-the-go charging. With its advanced Qi 2 technology, you can enjoy fast charging up to 15W, ensuring your devices are powered up quickly and efficiently. The impressive 10,000 mAh capacity allows you to extend your smartphone's battery life significantly, giving you up to 35 hours of video playback. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, while the magnetic attachment feature ensures perfect alignment for hassle-free charging. Plus, you can charge multiple devices at once, making it an ideal companion for busy lifestyles. What we like: fast wireless charging, high battery capacity, compact and portable, magnetic phone attachment, simultaneous device charging. Number 2. Belkin 10K PD Power Bank. The Belkin Power Bank is an essential portable charger for anyone on the go. With its integrated USB-C cable, you can easily charge your devices without needing to carry extra cords. The powerful 20W output enables fast charging for both smartphones and tablets, so you won't be waiting long to power up. Its 10,000 mAh capacity means you can charge an iPhone 15 Pro from 0 to 50% in just 26 minutes. Plus, you can charge 2 devices at once, thanks to the built-in cable and an additional USB-C port, making it convenient for multitasking. What we like: integrated USB-C cable, fast charging capability, high capacity battery, simultaneous device charging. Number 3. Belkin BoostCharge Magnetic Power Bank. The Belkin BoostCharge Magnetic Power Bank is a versatile charger that is MagSafe compatible, allowing fast charging for iPhone 14, 13, and 12 series phones with speeds up to 7.5W. It has a powerful magnetic connection that uses MagSafe technology to ensure perfect alignment, and with a capacity of 10,000 mAh, it provides up to 34 hours of video playback for your iPhone. It can be used as a wireless charging pad or as a magnetic portable charger, and with pass-through charging, you can continue to charge your iPhone even when the power bank itself needs charging. What we like: MagSafe compatible for fast charging, powerful magnetic connection for easy attachment, 10,000 mAh capacity provides up to 34 hours of video playback. Number 4. Belkin Gaming Power Bank with Stand. The Belkin Gaming Power Bank with Stand provides up to 36 hours of additional video playback time for gaming and streaming. Its built-in stand allows you to view your smartphone while charging, and the dual USB-A and USB-C ports enable simultaneous charging of your phone and gaming controller or any other device. The product comes with a 2-year warranty and connected equipment warranty. What we like: provides up to 36 hours of additional video playback time. Built-in stand for easy viewing while charging your device. Dual USB-A and USB-C ports allow for simultaneous charging of phone and gaming controller or any other device. Number 5. Belkin BoostCharge 10K Power Bank. The Belkin 10K Power Bank offers a convenient way to keep your devices charged on the go. With its innovative design, you can recharge your iPhone, AirPods, and iPad using the same lightning cable that charges the power bank itself. No need to carry multiple cables. The robust 10,000 mAh capacity provides up to 70 extra hours of battery life, ensuring your devices stay powered throughout the day. Plus, with 2 USB-A ports delivering a total of 3.4A, you can quickly charge multiple devices simultaneously, making it a perfect companion for busy lifestyles. What we like: convenient lightning cable charging, 70 hours additional battery life, dual USB-A ports, compact and portable design.